The Radial tool is great for creating special effects for your game or project. The Radial tool is a script from the 3D Clone Maker Toolkit. You can download the 3D Clone Maker Toolkit from the Unity 3D Asset Store with the link below. In this demo we are going to show you how we created the radial pattern you saw in our Synthwave video. First thing we are going to do is create an empty game object and name it Maker Tool Redlines. Next we look for the Radial Maker script and attach it to the Maker Tool Redlines game object. We go to the prefab section in the inspector, and add the redline prefab to the elements. Now let's go to our script inspector and add a few numbers. Set the seed to 3, number of rows to 3, and the horizontal buffer to about 1. And this is the results we get. As you can see, we get a simple radial pattern. Now let's experiment and see how many designs can we get out of this by playing around with some numbers. You can get some really cool effects with different shapes. If you want to show off some of your creations with the 3D Clone Maker Toolkit, join our Discord. You can also ask us any questions you have about the tool on our Discord as well. I thought it would be interesting to change the relative position to 17.55 and we get a little tunnel effect. You can see this kind of effect in a few other videos we made on our YouTube channel. Now let's rotate our shape. You can do this by adding the rotation effect script. Then we change the Z-axis to 1. Hit play to check your results. Be sure to play around with the effects and see what results you get. Thanks for watching our demo on the 3D Clone Maker Toolkit. Be sure to like and subscribe for more demos, game design news and tutorials.